Okay, yes. Now I will show you how good the engine is. Yes, how clean she is. You can see. Very clean. Very beautiful. Yes. This is the crankshaft and the pulley. You can see this is the driving gear. Yes, this is electrical wiring. Wow, you can see how beautiful she is. Wow, very clean. Yes, you can see. Yes, this is the kickstarter. Yeah, kickstarter here. This is the clutch here. Yes, the clutch inside this. This is the oil cap. Yes, this is from the carburetor. This is the spark plug. Very clean, you can see. Yes, this is the engine head. This is the engine cylinder. We can see here 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bolts. 4 head bolts. Wow, very clean. You can see. Very clean. Wow, you can see Honda. This is a Honda. Yes, Honda C100 1995. We see from this side. Very nice. Very clean. Wow, you can see. And from this side. Wow, so beautiful engine. 1995. It means that nearly 24 years. Yes, and in this project we will restore it to the original state. You can see it is very beautiful after we have just washed it. Wow, and who is this? It's my dog. Very big one. Wow, you can see from this side. Yes, engine head, cylinder, crank pulley. This is driving gear here. Yes, you can see driving gear. Gearbox inside this. Yes, and this is the gear indicator signal. Yes, this is wiring. We can see here we have 6 wires coming from the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, from the generator and ignition coil and crank signal and traction and then igniter and gear indicator. Yes, 6 wire coming from the engine. Wow, you can see here. This is a PCV valve. Yes, PCV valve. Here, in this design, PCV valve is going directly to the outside. Yes, we can see here. You see, crank signal. Yes, driving gear here. 1, 2. These are hanging mounting hole. To mount the engine to the chassis. This bone and this bone. Yes, you can see. Again, we can see very clean engine. Yes, just around 50 minutes of cleaning. Yes, you can see very clean engine. Yes, this is the upside of the engine. Yes, you see it. And then in this side you can see. Wow, very beautiful engine. It's a Honda. Okay, yes, I think that's enough for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video of our restoration video series. Yes, goodbye. Thank you.